Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify PageRank-like signals using Ahrefs DR changes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify PageRank-like signals using Ahrefs domain rating changes, start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool located on the dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze into the search bar. Click the search button to view the site's metrics. Locate the domain rating metric on the left sidebar. Take note of the current domain rating displayed. Next, scroll down to the Referring Domains section. Record the number of referring domains associated with this website. Now, check the history of the domain rating by clicking on the graph icon next to the metric. Analyze the trends in the domain rating over time. If you notice a significant increase, switch to the Backlinks tab. This section will detail new backlinks acquired during the observed period. Look for high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites. Check for the context and relevance of these backlinks, as they influence the value. Next, compare the changes in domain rating to the changes in the number of referring domains. A rise in domain rating with a corresponding increase in referring domains suggests positive growth. If the domain rating increases without new referring domains, investigate potential changes in link quality. Pay attention to the anchor text and its relevance to the website. Consider additional metrics such as organic traffic and keyword rankings to correlate your findings. After gathering all this information, summarize your insights into a comprehensive analysis. This approach will help you effectively verify PageRank-like signals within Ahrefs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.